Hey y'all, this is Simprint coming at you with a new product release. Today we're going to be focusing on Hunkler equipment, specifically unwinders and rewinders that require an air shaft. What we've got for you today is a redesigned air shaft gear and hub assembly. In this video, I'll walk through the tools required to change out the gears, some tips and tricks once you get the old gear off, and of course, the benefits of switching to Simprint's new gear and hub assembly. The only tools required for the swap are a dead blow rubber mallet, a pair of snap ring pliers, a gear or bearing puller, and a 6mm Allen key. Now for a couple quick tips and tricks. For the ease of this video, you can see that we've already removed the snap ring and the bearing. Next, you'll need to use the rubber mallet to tap off your old gear. Once that old gear is removed, you'll want to ensure the journal is nice and clean. That means you'll have to remove any rust, paper debris, or grease. Once you've removed any debris from the journal, you will reinstall the new gear as usual. Line up the keyways, press the bearing back on, and clip the snap ring in place. Now, onto the fun part. Why is Simprint so excited to share this new assembly with you? Because we have created a product that not only reduces your downtime, it saves you money. Yay! By redesigning this gear into two pieces, the metal hub and the plastic gear, you now have the option to change out the plastic gear piece only, not the whole assembly. This helps greatly reduce downtime in your shop. Once the plastic gear starts to degrade, you simply remove the 3 bolts, set them aside, remove the worn plastic gear, and replace with a new gear. The metal hub assembly stays in place, as do the snap ring and bearing. That's right, y'all. You heard correctly. The new plastic gear slides over the snap ring and bearing, meaning those no longer have to be removed once you've installed Simprint's new style gear assembly. Our second objective with this project is to bring cost savings to you, our customer. So let's talk purchasing options. Option 1, where you'll need to start, is the complete gear assembly, which includes the metal hub, plastic gear piece, and screws. Option 2 is the plastic gear only. We all know this is the heavy wear and tear part of the assembly, not the metal base. So now you can purchase exactly what you need at a reduced cost. As always, thanks for tuning in, y'all. If you have specific questions or would like to place an order, please reach out to your dedicated Simprint sales associate. Don't forget to check out our other product offerings on our website at www.simprint.com or give us a call at 972-753-0200.